Let's get at it and make some pig shots. Bacon, sausage, toothpicks, and cheese. That's all you're going to need to start. Slice the sausage just a bit more than a pencil thick. Slice your bacon just long enough where you could wrap it around the sausage roll, just with a little bit of overlap. Once you have it wrapped, skewer it with a toothpick. Make sure it goes through the other side to hold it together. Make sure your bacon's nice and cold, that way it's easier to work with. This was getting a little bit hard and tricky. Once you've got a few made, it's time to fill them up. Cut your pepper into 6 equal portions, and then put a slice in each one of the pig shots on the bottom. Now place a little small block of cheese on top of the pepper and place inside of the pig shot. That'll be your top. And then skewer it with another toothpick on the top just to hold that at the top, since it is going to be a little bit bigger. Keep it together. Time for the seasoning. You can use whatever rub that you want on these. I want a little bit of a kick, so I'm going to use Creole Fixx by Motley Que. After you're done with the seasoning, transfer it to a wire rack. And let's put it into the smoker. You'll want the smoker at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. I can't help it, I just had to peek. It was only after about 30 minutes. When your bacon gets a little bit crispy on the outside, it's time to sauce. I used a blend of Blues Hogg's Championship blend with some rib candy in it, the apple habanero. Put it back in the smoker for about 10 minutes just to get the sauce to set. Carefully pull out the toothpicks. And there you have it, a quick and easy barbecue appetizer. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button.